Hello everyone, I'm life designer Vijay Tushar and I help you to become your best version. We have a wonderful courses in our School of Confidence, which is related to public speaking, personality development, emotional intelligence, and so on. So today we have our own participant, Shweta Thampi, who was known to me for many years. I know her since she was 6 years old and she has now become an adult. She has done her hotel management and has worked at Taj Lands End. And now she thought about, she was searching the net for a personality development program, and that's how our School of Confidence she came to. And she came back to me to be trained in personality development. So she has also joined our public speaking course, and let's hear from her journey at Management Me's School of Confidence. So introducing to you a very dynamic young girl. She is none other than Shweta Tampi. So welcome Shweta,
Hello,
how are you?
I'm good. I'm good. How are you?
I'm also good and it's really happy to have you here. Can you tell the audience of how you reached me and how was your journey at Management Me School of Confidence?
The journey was very good. I got to learn many things. I became confident and
Okay, what was the first thing that I did when your mom and dad came to me and said, we want something really nice for her, and we know that you are the right person to guide her. So, what was the first thing that we did?
the first thing we did was psychometric test.
Yes,
The that time I came to know like my interest is in cosmology,
great.
and then got into makeup and hairstyling course there
Wow,
in that place only.
great. So, she enrolled into the cosmetology field for a course in makeup and hairstyling. And today she's very happy that she took the advice and did that. Meanwhile, we also did the personality development course. So, level one personality development course, what was your experience?
Level 1 was very good. I got more confidence and enjoyed
And I'm sure
like
the
the trip
highlight
was
was,
fun.
it was fun. And I
The
think the highlight was
uh,
making new friends.
yeah,
So, who's your bestie now?
near.
So that is so beautiful that you're finding
Yeah.
friends in the group and you have come now to level 2 and you have also joined
Yes.
the cosmetology course. So can you introduce yourself again and share your journey with me at level 2?
Yes. Hello, my name is Shweta Tampi. I am an experienced makeup artist. To realize my dream, I enrolled into makeup and hairstyling course by Glam Blush. I get to learn basic foundation, eyeshadow V technique, hollow eyes, smoky eyes, waterfall braid, etc. The trainers are very good, experienced, and helpful. In the past, I was shy and timid, and it was difficult for me to express myself and mix up with others. Now, after joining public speaking course from Management Me, I became confident and started talking to everyone.
So now there is no fear about making friends or speaking
Yes.
to strangers.
Yeah.
And I think, I believe you
Now,
also travel alone.
yes, I travel alone.
And any part of Mumbai, if I tell you to go, will you be able to go?
Yeah.
Wow, that's really nice, and I'm so happy to see you from a, your transformation from a tongue-tied young girl to somebody who's really confident, is enjoying life, and actually working on her skills. And I'm sure within a few years, you're going to be successful as a
Makeup art.
makeup artist. Yeah,
Makeup
and a
artist.
hairstylist, of course. So,
Yes.
can you say a few lines about the participants with whom you were trained? Any special thing about each of the persons that you mingled with and what you learned from them?
Learn like many things I've learned, like basic foundation.
No,
Then I learned.
that is regarding your cosmetology course. I'm talking about
uh,
regarding the personality development. Like we had so many sessions, like the communication skills session, then we had the
yes.
professional grooming and etiquette, right? Then we had the assertiveness training. So what, can you talk about a few pointers which actually changed your perspective towards life, or a few things about others that you like in the group?
The way I started talking to Neil, that
Okay.
was like great.
Okay.
Like in the camp only we started talking.
Okay. So the camp made a lot of difference, I think.
Yeah, yes.
So
The
that is,
camp.
yeah. So that is the reason, like, we take you to the camp so that you get a different environment, and there you can just be yourself, right? You're
Yes,
feeling
yes.
scared. You said, I am scared, especially when we did the rafting thing, right?
Yeah.
But then ultimately, when you saw everybody has jumped into the water, and if they can do it, so can I, right?
Yes.
So that was the attitude that you learned.
Yes.
Okay, what do you like about, let's say, one of the persons, let's say Neha, who was there in
Hmm.
your group and who's still there in level 2?
Yeah.
What have you learned from her?
From her, we have not talked much.
Uh-huh.
Like,
But you must have learned something from her, na? So start observing people and
yeah.
see what you can learn from them. So if I say that there is something really good in her which you should learn, so just try to think what could it be?
The way of her talking.
The way of,
Her talking. Like she's more confident
yeah, she's
in
confident and
talking.
she's spontaneous, right? So that's what you
Yeah.
liked about her. What did you like about Vivek?
Now he is like more of like confident person.
Yeah, so
Like
his confidence
the
level also
first
you like,
day, yeah, increased. Like
and he's
the
become more
first day
free
when
now.
I met. Yeah.
First, like you would hardly talk anything, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Now, so he makes fun of you also, no?
No, he doesn't.
He doesn't make fun of you in the
No.
sense, ऐसे ही खींचते रहता है तुम्हारा.
No.
No.
वो नहीं.
So you have an atmosphere where you're really enjoying yourself. All right. Um, so we have come to the last part of this interview with you. And Shweta, what would be your message to the audience today?
After joining personality development course and public speaking course, I became confident and started talking to everyone. This made me believe in myself. Now I am happy and I enjoy everything that I do. I believe I can and I did. So can you. Never give up. Thank you.
Wow, that thank you so much, Shweta, for being with
Thank you,
us
ma'am.
here. And we at Management Me wish you the best of luck in all your endeavors. And yes, I'm sure you're going to be there as a celebrity makeup artist and hairstylist within a
Yes.
span of just 2 years. So God bless you and have a super awesome, fantastic time. God bless.
Thank you, ma'am.